Hello, estimators. Hi, this is Anjay from Material Takeoff. So today we will learn how to take dimensions, area, linear meter of a plan from any image file. Like this is a image file. Okay, it happens sometimes with the estimators that you got image from the site, and somebody told you, can you please give us the like cross-checking the area, cross-check the linear meters and all and that, but uh, some people don't know how to do that. Today I will tell you and show you how you can do that. Okay, this is a small building. It's a double story building and it has two dimension present. That is one of x-axis and another dimension is on y-axis. In each and every example, if you see that if we know the one dimension or we know any x-axis or any y-axis, then it's easy to calculate the area, the length, the linear meter, each and everything you can calculate from an image, like it's a JPG image. So today's thumbnail, you also know that today we will do this thing. So let's jump into the drawing. Okay, this is the image from where we have to take like the area or anything else like linear meter, some sort of anything. Okay, you're getting my point. So first we scale it. We have two known dimensions over here. Okay, so first we scale it on x-axis. Okay, for x-axis we have here that 12 meter and 100 mm. So what we see, what we do, we just check the dimension and scale it. It's 12.1 meter, and we will do the separate y scale, and y is our 19.2 meter. So we take that from the image to dimensions. So here's 19.2 meter. So we apply the scale. Now let's check that what we have done and what we can achieve in this. First, if you see that this is alfresco, it's 4.2 and 4.6. Let's check this dimension that is that done or not. First we go there and we will check that it's a matching dimension. From here to here, it's 4.2, and from here to here, it's 4.6. That means our drawing is fully scaled. Okay, so if you want that like area and all the things from here, you can take it very easily. I'll tell you the way. Like if you want to know the area, you just click that and you know that the area. If you multiply, it's the same as 19.36. It comes near about 19.32 and you will get only the error of 4 mm in this. Okay. Like in a alfresco, like in bed. Somebody told that in bed we use like carpet for this bed. Carpet quantity, you can take it from here. It's a square meter quantity. You can take the quantity as per, you know that carpet has been calculated in Australia by broadloom meter. So square meter should can be converted into broadloom meter, calculate the uh, like the area of the carpet which is used, and you can add the wastage. Generally take 10 to 12% wastage for this, for the carpet area. Okay, like if in laundry, that how much square meter tile is on the floor, you can easily take it like this much square meter on the floor and this much square meter on the ENS. Okay. And in bath, this is the quantity you can take it for tiles. Okay, and even though you have done that square meter, you can also find that if you need to do wall tiling, so you need, like, the building heights, it may be ground floor 2.7 meter, 3 meter, and some sort of. So you can just take like the perimeter. Okay, from here, first we delete this. Like, we want to know the wall tiling of this place, that how much wall tile will be used. So you just simply take the linear meter. Okay, from here to here, here, if you can see, it's not aligning with the drawing. You have, actually you have to do it on this part, like this, for some exact quantity. Okay, here, here, and then here, 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 and it's here, and then this is the linear meter you have. Now you can multiply by this with the height, and you can deduct the door, and you will get the wall tile. And if you have some specific tiles, like if you have any feature tiles over near the vanity, you can also do that. You can calculate it separately, and you can have those things like tiles and all. And that sometimes you need to calculate, like this is the powder room. Okay, this is the lounge, and this foyer need, like, if there are any other material. Suppose, like, in lounge there would be any wooden flooring. That wooden flooring, you will get 16.48 millimeter is the, like, the corners for the skirtings. And for the area, you can do the similar thing. You get the area, and here's the area. You can add the wastage, and you will get calculated the each, and you can do full estimation just from one JPG. But you need at least one dimension, either on x-axis or either on y-axis, to do this work. And it's very easy. There's nothing any rocket science in this. But yeah, like somebody told you, for the balcony tiles, this is the balcony. You can calculate the balcony tiles easily here. This is the balcony tiles. Okay, for balcony skirting, you can calculate simply, like, how much skirting will come on this side. You can calculate this. Sometimes you get the photos from the side, but you have the dimensions of those things, so you can also apply this to them. Okay, so this is for today only. So if you like my video, kindly share it, subscribe my channel, and thank you for coming.